What is that up in the sky? Ow!
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos at the park, over the yard. Put on your bike helmet, cause they're coming down hard. Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Guacamole, sour cream. Is it a nightmare or is it a dream?
Is it a dream?
They're crunchy and they're fried.
So fried.
And they're falling from
Elimination, Portland.
you might wanna stay inside. Taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Guacamole, sour cream. Is it a nightmare or is it a dream?
Is it a dream?
They're crunchy and they're fried.
So fried.
And they're falling from the sky.
The sky.
You might wanna stay inside.
Look out! Ow, my eye! Newsflash, important information. Taquitos coming down all over the nation. Portland, Denver, Austin, Poughkeepsie. It's a taquito apocalypse.
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Run for cover, don't be slow. There's beef and chicken and potato. Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos. Corn tortillas rolled up tight, coming down fast with no wind inside. They're greasy and they're hot.
So hot.
They keep falling from the sky. They're kind of pointy, so they hurt a lot.
Dude, watch out! Ow! My other eye! Oh, why? What is that? It's the Taco Boss 3000. He's shooting the taquitos with his taco ray. And turning them into harmless tacos. We're saved! Hooray! It's a miracle!
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos.
Chicken, potato, cheese.
Hailing taquitos, it's hailing taquitos.
Chicken, potato, cheese. Once again, thanks to the Taco Box 3000, humanity was saved. Or was it? Ow! My first eye again!
Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese.
Taco Bite 3000. Serving up the tacos, get 'em hot, hot, hot. Taco Bite 3000. When robot 3000. When you want some tacos, call the Taco Bite. Taco Bite. We need a whole lot of tacos, expertly created by a robot at the highest level of quality. Taco Bite, artificial taco intelligence for maintaining maximum deliciousness with the latest cheese dispensing technology. Taco Bite, Taco Bite, Taco, Taco, Taco Bite, Taco Bite, Taco, Taco, Taco.
Evil villains try and stop him, wanna crush his shells and steal his toppings. Taco flavor keeps on rocking. Taco Bite keeps taco boxing.
Saved in the world from not having tacos. Saved in the world from not having tacos. Taco Bite. Taco Bite. Taco Bite. Taco Bite. When you need a whole lot of tacos, expertly created by a robot at the highest level of quality. Taco Bite, artificial taco intelligence for maintaining maximum deliciousness with the latest cheese dispensing technology. Taco Shell, meat, lettuce and cheese. We go hot, eating tacos in the land of the free. Taco Shell, meat, lettuce and cheese. We go hot, eating tacos in the land of the free. Bite, 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 bite. Quesadilla explosion. Quesadilla explosion. Quesadillas are flying all over town. Tortillas and cheese, they're sailing on the breeze over buildings and trees. off the lawn, it'll be alright. We're gonna eat quesadillas tonight. Pull them out of the bushes and down from the trees. You can pick off the extra leaves. Everybody chow down, it's a quesadilla feast. And then we'll rebuild the factory.
Cheese. Tortilla. Cheese. Tortilla. Cheese. Tortilla.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Tortilla. Cheese.
Quesadilla explosion.
Cheese.
It's a delicious explosion.
Multiplication is the same.
Taco plus spaghetti equals yum.
Taco spaghetti, people get ready for a cuisine that's delicious and fun. Taco toppings on spaghetti noodles, two incredible foods combined into one. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Spaghetti taco, it's got me in awe, 'cause it's just so yummy and satisfying. A remarkable flavor right in your face. When you take a big bite, your taste buds will be flying. Taco flavor applied to a spaghetti-based delivery system. And innovative and satisfying, melding of technologies, over cheese.
Using science, we can combine the incredible flavor essence of taco with the awesome noodle power of spaghetti.
Noodles, meat, tomatoes, cheese, noodles, meat, cheese.
Don't forget the cheesy cheese. And don't forget the cheesy cheese. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Yes.
for you and me. Taco spaghetti forever. Taco spaghetti
Noodles,
for you and me. Taco spaghetti
tomatoes, cheese, noodles, tomatoes, cheese. Taco plus spaghetti equals yum.